Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, what about you?
Pretty cold, actually.
Me too.
So, this video is going to be whatever crosses our mind. So, it's really, really random, which is why we're wearing these outfits.
These lovely outfits.
These lovely outfits. We do apologize for anything that you might encounter in this video because, well, I'm not really quite sure what's going to happen.
Might get inappropriate.
You might just want to stop watching it right now. Or continue watching it if you're brave enough. Chicken. Alright, let's read about Ultimate Judgment.
Oh, okay. That's fascinating.
Oh my god, his name's Tom.
Whoa.
That's weird.
Donald!
Donald!
Oh my god, that's the first. Dawn, I saw the word Dawn.
I saw Dawn.
That's terrible. Why? It's like a sign.
Better now that he's dead, I whispered. Yes, I know, he said quietly, but the son of a bitch died without giving me my apology. He took my hand and stepped closer. How is your mother holding up? Fine. In fact, she hadn't cried once since the hospital room.
Whoa.
That's
Got intense.
something. It's like Joel everywhere. Okay.
My neighbors are upset.
So, okay, we're recording this video in my bedroom, which is in her garage. And, her neighbors are, like, weird. And,
Crazy.
Like weird.
The
Like,
stoner way.
like, one of them's, like, you know, kind of cute. So, what is his name called? Your neighbor. So they, like, go outside, and we're pretty sure they're watching us and listening to us. So we're gonna, like, kind of show you what we do whenever we hear them outside, okay? This is what usually happens whenever we hear them out there. Ready?
So we're pretty sure they can hear us.
Ready? Action. Oh my god, dude, your neighbors are outside.
Oh no. What should we do? Whatever should we do? I think you have an idea. Oh! 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 Harder! Harder! Okay, you can be on top now.
Oh, baby! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Oh, yeah! It's so big! Oh, baby! Oh, yeah!
So hot!
Now, of course, you know you watched us do that, so it might not be believable to you, but to the perverts that are right next door,
I can probably hear us. They have no idea.
they're probably trying to make the same noises by themselves.
You know what we mean? Wink.
Winky face.
Oh yeah, you can't wink.
Shut up. But
Oh, well.
I can do this.
I can do that too. Oh no, I can't.
That's right.
I am.
I have a huge tongue.
Can you touch your nose? What? I can't.
I did it.
Can you lick your elbow?
Do you have an awesome cowgirl shirt looking thing on?
Mine's even better.
Yeah, well,
It's like a little kid from like 20 years ago. With butterflies.
feel bad for that kid.
Just trying to- I don't know where this came from.
You'll be proud.
I don't know.
We're gonna reenact Star Wars.
I am your father.
Oh my god!
Ow.
That explains so much!
Yes, it does. Alright, I win. Oh, you win.
I'm the winner.
I'm dead.
Okay, well then. I resuscitated her with my awesome mustache that hangs from my nose and goes down to my chin
That's not where it goes down to.
and goes down to a place. Okay, so, yeah, that was a great experience.
Yeah.
That was. Yeah. I think we should make music.
We should make music.
Alright, here's your drums. Here's your drum sticks. And, that was the standing ovation. Ready, go!
Wait.
Oh, yeah! Go tonight out! Yeah, yeah, yeah! This is the best song in the world! We're recording! Oh, yeah! have is actually outstanding.
Our lovely audience.
Thank you, our audience.
Take a bow.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm gonna lose your voice from all that lovely singing.
What? My butt hurts.
I'm gonna get my daily dose of you somehow.
Well, you know, there are a lot of planes leaving the city, huh? We're back. Don't mind us.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, sorry guys.
It hardened.
It got sticky. Okay, well,
Boom.
magic.